first family cruise and now drowning in contradictory advice? Let me save you from a few rookie mistakes. You've booked the perfect cruise, and now you're second-guessing everything. What to pack, when to arrive, and how everything works. The internet has given you analysis paralysis rather than confidence. Here's some guidance on what actually works and what you can ignore. Arrive at your cruise port at least a day in advance. This eliminates 90% of cruise stress. Pack like you're visiting a nice resort, not camping. Download any apps at home. Don't wait until you're boarding. Book your shore excursions ahead of time so you have plenty of choices. Your first cruise doesn't have to be perfect to create magic, just the right foundation. Ready for smooth sailing from day one? Click the link below for more information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.